we're gonna be alright.
Today, in this video, we will learn about Raspberry Pi. What is Raspberry Pi? How much is that thing? Where did it came from? All of these questions will be answered later on. Just keep on watching. The first computer, ENIAC, was as big as a room and comes with a memory less than a microwave, but things have changed now. This is Raspberry Pi, one of the cheapest and the smallest computer out there that was created by Ben Upton. Its origins can be found in the University of Cambridge's Computer Laboratory in 2006. Computer scientist Ben Upton, along with Rob Mullins, Jack Lang, and Alan Mycroft, were concerned that incoming computing undergraduate students had grown divorced from the technical aspects of computing. This was largely due to school syllabuses that place an emphasis on using computers rather than understanding them. Off the back of this initial concern, the Raspberry Pi Foundation was formed. Over the next 6 years, the team worked on developing a cheap and accessible device that would help schools to teach concepts such as programming, thus brings students closer to understanding how computing works. Raspberry Pi is a low-cost credit card-sized computer that plugs into a computer monitor or TV and uses a standard keyboard and mouse. It is a capable little device that enables people of all ages to explore computing and to learn how to program in languages like Scratch and Python. It is capable of doing everything you'd expect a desktop computer to do, from browsing the internet, playing high-definition video, and playing games. So here we have the Broadcom or the BCM2837, the Broadcom chip that was used in Raspberry Pi 3 and Raspberry Pi 2. And here we have the micro USB connector, the HDMI, the RCA video and audio jack, the CSI camera connector, the DSI display connector, and here we have the GPIO pin or the general purpose input and output pin. And here we have the Ethernet port and the two USB 2.0 port. And here we have the chip antenna. And most of all, the micro SD card slot with an SD card inside it. Thank you so much guys for watching my video, and I really hope that you learned something from it. Thank you so much guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.